SRPT stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Sarepta Therapeutic stock buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Ultimately, just looking at Sarepta or SRPT, it's a decent $15.83 level. And what my idea was that if the price sort of came up and I was looking to take it further down because it's a bearish range. And honestly, that bearish range still hasn't changed. Yeah, I mean, my idea is still going to sit here and be the same. Even like because it gapped up. I know pre-market is a little bit higher. That's why I'm putting this double break a little bit higher. But yeah, if that does not happen, then I'm not selling. Straight up. With SRPT, I've also got about decent amount of 15 results. So yeah, that's how SRPT is looking like for me, and just a bearish market, you know, very simple. So that's how it's looking like for me. It's not financial advice. For me to be bullish, either it breaks, gives me some crazy candle catalysts, or it breaks above 2283. If you want to stay tuned, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. It's free.